Today is an exciting day for me because my editing work has shrunk a little bit more, and I'm very happy because everything that I do is in the hope of getting my videos out sooner and faster with all the things that I have going on to me at the same time. With this gadget, with this product, I think my work can be done quite faster. Introducing a new way to communicate with your computer, especially Adobe Premiere, the program that I use, or any other program that you use, by mapping keys to different functions. It has that authentic color in their packaging that reminds me of old school gadget, but rest assured, don't be fooled by this. What's inside of this package can be a huge difference to what you do throughout the day. So here's the box. I only needed the starter kit. It goes up, you could expand it, you could add to it later on. This offers what I need right off the bat, and then I'm happy with it. This is the back of the packaging, and there is nothing that is special to it. So let's open it up and let's see what we have inside. It's not one of those easy plastics that Apple uses, but once you get it open, it's easy enough to open it with one hand. Every time you open a package, it's like Christmas comes early. So let's open it up, and wow. We have a quick starting guide, and this is it. Not much to it. We have one of our module. Oh my god, this is so satisfying. This is so easy to manipulate. Oh, this is gonna be so cool. We have the interface. This is like the brain, and then it houses the actual screen. This is another dial, and we have two buttons, this and this. You could map this to anything, and that's it. Another thing, we have cables and we have stickers. Okay, so the way that it works, you have these little cubes, you may call them, and you could basically connect them to each other via magnet and form a shape that you like. So in this case, I'm gonna have this connected here. I'm gonna have the knob connected right here, and then the two buttons, just like this. Pretty simple, pretty easy, straightforward. You just take them out, put them in any orientation that you like, and you have it set up. So this is so cool. I wish it was wireless. It would have made it just that much cooler. It's gonna sit right next to my keyboard. I wish it was the same height. It's a little bit shorter, but I don't have a problem with it. I wish again it didn't have the cable. That would be awesome. Maybe in the future updates we see one that doesn't have the cables and it's wireless. But technically, basically, this is how I'm gonna use it, and I'm pretty happy with it. So far, so good. I think it's a great device. I hope you guys liked it. I'm gonna do an update on it, on how I use it and what I have it mapped on, but this was just an unboxing of it. Pretty cool device, pretty nifty. It's quite expensive though, but if you have the money, it's gonna make your life so much easier. Let me know in the comment section what you think about it, and as always, I'll see you guys on the next one.